Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I just want to talk to you about creating room on your board and not working with too much mess around you. A really good technique that I've found is if you move your boards closely to you, just a little bit off the edge of the bench there, you can pop a tray underneath there. Pastry cards are amazing. They come in really good handy. You can use that to swipe the vegetables onto the tray. If you don't have a pastry card, that's absolutely fine. You can either try to use the back of the knife, or if that's a little bit dangerous for you and don't feel comfortable, then use the front of the knife. Just do what feels comfortable for you, because at the end of the day, that's going to be the most safest. For us in the kitchen, we don't tend to use the knife so much because it makes it blunter. So to keep it nice and sharp, that's why we invest in these really cheap pastry cards. They come in handy so much throughout the kitchen. Once you've done that, if you're cutting things like tomato and your board's a little bit wet, having a nice clean chucks there to help you just mop up any of those liquids there comes in real good use, and then you're not running back into the sink to clean up your mess along the way. Then you can just continue on prepping your vegetables as such.